Hello again. Yes, it's me. Yes, I'm back. This time at night. Ooh. Right, now, this time I want to show you this little radio here. Now this is the SI4732 radio, which you've probably seen a lot of on eBay and that. Now I just bought the kit, which is just boards, and you get no case or battery or speaker. Now me being me, thought, I'll put it in this. It's quite a good little unit to put it in, and that's what I've done. You can see the little display just fits in the little window there, which used to be for the tuning dial, but now it's showing the OLED display. And at the moment I've got it on Radio Romania International 9740. I'll just turn it up a little bit. Yeah, so fitted all the controls on, as you can see. Fitted my own rotary encoders, those three, and wired them to the board, which is inside obviously the board. Originally it had all switches on there except for the tuning, which was a rotary encoder, but I've changed that for my own because I couldn't get the one on the board to line up with the holes in this radio, so put my own rotary encoders in for tuning, band selection and volume, and they've all got switches built into them, so when you push on them, that one does a mode, that one does a step size, and if you push that one it puts into BFO mode for sideband. So yeah, and it's running off a little LiPo battery, which was an RC battery which I used to have for my radio controlled helicopters, and that's inside. Then on the back put a 5-volt DC power socket, which goes to the board inside, to a micro USB on the board inside, and that, when you put 5 volts on there, that will charge the battery up, yeah, inside, and yeah, works well. So I thought it was quite neat in there really. I did put it in a smaller case, which wasn't too bad, but I prefer it in this bigger case really. Yeah, I can probably put a video on the when I had it built in the small case as well, so I may do that, put a video on YouTube as well. But yeah, so I thought I'd just show you that. This originally was just a little AM FM set, you know. Just took AA batteries in the back, and yeah, but now it gets, you know, long, medium, FM, shortwave, upper and lower sideband, all through that. Yeah, okay, hang on. Right, there you go. Right, bye for now.